ChatGPT, Sora AI, Meta AI shows the power of a text to video creation. Here I am using a ChatGPT to help shape ideas into smart prompts. And then Sora AI and Meta AI transforms these prompts into AI generated videos. Let me start with ChatGPT to generate text prompt from an idea. For example, here I am giving an idea to ChatGPT like generate text to video prompt for a bulk of snakes coming out from a beautiful angle mouth. So this is the idea I am giving it to ChatGPT to generate a text to video prompt. Here the ChatGPT generated a prompt like this. With the help of this prompt, I can generate a text to videos by using Sora AI and Meta AI. Here the Meta AI generated for that prompt something like this. See here, this is the video generated by Meta AI per given prompt. This is the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Simply, with the help of an idea, I generated a text to video prompt by using ChatGPT. And then with that prompt, I generated a video by using Meta AI. Same like I generated with Sora AI as well. But here the aspect ratio is a 9:16. But when I work with Meta AI, the aspect ratio is 16:9. See, Sora AI is also generated to the same prompt, but the video is something like this. So when compared with Sora AI with Meta AI generating a better quality videos and also Meta AI generating according to the prompts. But when coming to the Sora AI, it is not giving the exact videos according to the prompts. See the one more idea like this. Here it is the idea. Generate a text to video prompt for a 80 years old woman reading book on her house. Suddenly in backside to her glassy window, a building collapsing. So this is the idea I given it to ChatGPT to generate a text to video prompt. Simply it's generated a text to video prompt. By using this text to video prompt, I generated videos by using Sora AI and Meta AI as usual. See here in the Sora AI, it's generated a great video to the given prompt. So this is the video generated by Sora AI according to the prompt. This is looks very nice. Even a Meta AI is also generated a great video to the given prompt. See, let's see the video. Here it is the video generated by Meta AI. And the third one is like this. Generate text to video prompt for a huge tiger walking on a city empty road. Huge tiger walking on city empty road. So ChatGPT generated a text to video prompt. Same like the previous, I used this prompt to Sora AI and Meta AI. Sora AI generated a video like this, which is too good. And the Meta AI is also generated a video by given prompt. Here, this is the video. Meta AI generated a great video for the given prompt. So with the help of a small ideas, I generated a text prompts by using ChatGPT. With the help of those text prompts, I generated a videos by using Sora AI and Meta AI.